Hey there! Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography with the mini drone with camera for adults and youth, featuring a stunning 1080p HD FPV camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, perfect for capturing every beautiful moment in your life. This drone is incredibly user-friendly, with a one-key start and landing button, altitude hold for stable shots, and a headless mode for easy control, even when it's out of sight. You can command it with your voice, using simple phrases like fly or photo, and even take selfies with a V or palm gesture, making it a breeze to operate. With 2 modular batteries included, you'll enjoy extended flight times, and its gravity control, speed control, and 360 degrees flips make it ideal for beginners and seasoned flyers alike. Plus, the S17 drone is compatible with VR glasses for an immersive 3D experience, though you'll need to grab those separately. If you ever run into any issues, rest assured that the professional and responsive service team is ready to provide 24-hour technical support. So, whether you're looking for an exciting new hobby or the perfect gift, this drone is sure to impress. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.